Jai Hind, today we are gathered here to celebrate the most joyful day, Children's Day. The day dedicated to our innocent smiles and boundless energies of children, as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru believed. Children are the future of nation and the foundation of better tomorrow. So to make this day more exciting, we are here with a fun and learning filled quiz competition. And our quiz competition name is Kaun Banega Genius. Okay, let's see. Let's begin it. There will be 3 rounds. Round 1 will have 7 questions. In that you will get the MCQ. Okay. Every group will get the 7 questions. Round 2 will get the 5 questions with the MCQ. And last round will be of rapid round. Okay. In that you will just put the hand on your benches whenever you will get the answer. Okay. So from group 1, question number 1 is, whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, speak the answer. Okay. You will not keep a hand right now. Okay. Second question is, why is Children's Day celebrated? To honor children, to remember freedom fighter, to celebrate teachers, to mark Independence Day. I repeat it. Why is Children's Day celebrated? To honor children, to remember freedom fighter, to celebrate teachers, to make Independence Day.
To honor children.
Honor children. Okay. What did Jawaharlal Nehru love the most? Flower, children, books, music.
Children.
Wait. What is Jawaharlal Nehru's favorite flower? Rose, lotus, sunflower.
Rose.
Okay. When was Jawaharlal Nehru born? 2nd October 1869, 14 November 1889, 15 August 1872. Okay. What did children lovingly call Jawaharlal Nehru? Bapu, Chacha Nehru.
Chacha Nehru.
When is Children's Day celebrated in India? 2nd October, 14 November.
14 November.
Now from second team. Yes. What was Nehru's father name? Motilal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale.
Motilal Nehru.
Okay. What was Nehru's mother name? Kamala Nehru, Kasturba Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu.
Kamala Nehru.
What was Nehru's daughter name? Sonia Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Vijay Lakshmi.
Indira Gandhi.
Which post did Jawaharlal Nehru hold in India? President, Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Governor.
Prime Minister.
In which year did Nehru become India's first Prime Minister? 1947, 1950, 1942, 1962. I repeat, in which year did Nehru become India's first Prime Minister? 1947, 1950, 1942, 1962. Okay, good. What was Jawaharlal Nehru? Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Mumbai, Allahabad, Delhi, Kolkata. What is celebrated in schools on Children's Day? Sports and games, singing, dance and fun, all of the above. Next team. First question is, who said children are the future of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Kalam, or Rabindranath Tagore? What color rose did Nehru often wear? White, pink, red, yellow.
Red.
Right answer. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? 1962, 1964, 1959,
1964.
Right answer. What message does Children's Day give us? Respect elder, study well, love and care for children, play games. Right answer. What do school organize on Children's Day? Debate, sports, cultural programs, all of the above. Good. Right answer. Which leader was known for his love for children? Dr. Kalam, Chacha Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel. Right answer. Which flower is often seen on Nehru's coat? Lotus, rose, lily.
Rose.
Okay, right answer. Who was the first president of India? Rajendra Prasad, Nehru, Radhakrishna, Kalam. Nehru. What do teachers do for children on Children's Day? Give gift, perform programs, take exam.
Give.
Right answer. What is the importance of Children's Day? Fun only, to celebrate childhood, to rest, to study. Right answer. What is another name for Jawaharlal Nehru? Pandit Nehru, Netaji, Guruji, Swamiji. I repeat, what is the another name for Jawaharlal Nehru? Pandit Nehru, Netaji, Guruji, Swamiji. Right answer. Pandit Nehru. What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Nice. Right answer. What is the national game of India? Cricket.
Hockey.
Right answer. So here our first round is completed. Now second round you will get 5 questions with the MCQs. Okay? Give me answer within a 5 seconds only, like you have given in the round 1. Okay? So from first team, what is the national animal of India? Lion, tiger, elephant, peacock. Wrong. You have to give one answer from your team. Either you discuss with your team or give just one answer. Okay? Next, another student will not give. Only one student. Okay? Next is, what is the national fruit of India? Mango, apple, banana, orange.
Mango.
Right answer. What is the national flag of India called? Tiranga, tricolor, Indian flag, both A and B. I repeat it. What is the national flag of India called? Tiranga, tricolor, Indian flag. The option is fourth, A and B. Wrong. Next is, what is the capital of India? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. What is the capital of India? Delhi. Okay, right answer. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Tagore, Gandhi, Nehru, Patel. Oh, right answer. How many colors are in the Indian flag? 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrong. Next team. What is the largest planet? Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Right answer. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, lion, tiger, horse. Right answer. How many states are there in India? 28, 29, 27, 30.
28.
Right. Which planet is known as a red planet? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Venus.
Mars.
Wrong. 2 answers you have given from your team. That's right. What is the color of milk? White, yellow, blue, green.
White.
Right answer. What is the currency of India? Dollar, pound, rupee, yen.
Rupee.
Right answer. Now next team, how many days are there in a year? 364, 365, 366, 367.
365.
Right answer. What is the shape of the earth? Flat, round, square, triangle.
Round.
Right. What is the boiling point of water? 50 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius. Either you decide, there is 5 seconds. Wrong. Which organ pump blood in our body? Brain, lung, heart, liver. Right answer. Which is the largest ocean? Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, Arctic. Wrong. Next team. Which festival is called the Festival of Colors?
Holy.
Right answer. What is 10 into 10?
100.
Right answer. Which animal give us wool? Goat, sheep, cow, camel.
Ship.
Right answer. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury, Earth, Mars, Pluto.
Pluto. Mercury.
Decided. Sure? Right answer. What do we breathe in to stay alive? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water.
Oxygen.
Right answer. Okay. Now there will be a rapid round from you all. The red planet. Earth, Mars, Jupiter.
Mars.
Okay, right answer. How many continents are there in the world? 5, 6, 7, 8.
7.
Okay now. 5 questions I will ask from you all. Okay. Give me, judges please see who have clapped first. Okay. Who have put hand on their benches first. I will not give you options in this question. Okay.
How many questions are there?
5 questions from all the groups.
All the groups. And you have to be ready.
Ready?
Yes.
Listen the question properly. Who wrote the national anthem of India?
Avni.
Yes, Avni. Right. Next question is, which animal is known as the ship of the desert?
This Bhagat
Yes.
Singh.
Camel.
Very good. Right answer. Next is, what is the smallest month of the year?
This.
Right answer. Last 2 questions. Let's see who will do. In which month do we celebrate Christmas?
This there.
Okay. Last question.
Be ready, last question.
How many colors are there in rainbow?
That's it.
Right, na?
That's it.
Yes, 7. Right answer.
See, today quiz competition and first is Bhagat Singh team. Keep your
And second position got Mahatma
Mahatma
Gandhi.
Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru team.
Jawaharlal Nehru team. And consolation प्राइज
इस
सुभाष
सुभाष
चंद्र
चंद्र की
रुद्र प्रताप सिंह जी की हवेली है ये। आदि हवेली में होटल है आदि होती। देश विदेश से लोग आते हैं। चाय नाश्ता खाना अपनी होटल से आता है। जब देखो तो बाकी मुझे ये बोलना समझा? इधर हुक्म और हमारा परिवार रहता है, इधर जाने का हुक्म नहीं है, समझा?
सॉरी
मम्मी के लिए जाइए आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलिए। यहाँ कोई नहीं है तो
पटेगी चला है, पकड़, चल।
वो कौन है?
कौन सा? रणवीर सिंह।
कौन सा? रानी साहब आपको अंदर याद करवा के हुक्म।
तो हमारे जनता बच्चा कौन है?
हुकुम पर साइन चाहिए।